Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious chocolate walnut drizzle glaze. This rich glaze is particularly complementary to cakes containing walnuts or walnut oil, such as a pumpkin walnut ring. I'll post a link to the video on how to make the pumpkin walnut ring below. The assertive flavor of walnuts does wonders when used judiciously with chocolate. Using part milk chocolate tempers the slight bitterness of the walnut, and the oil softens the chocolate and keeps it dark and shiny. You'll want to generously drizzle the glaze over the top and sides of the cake while the glaze is still warm. Then allow the glaze to set for at least 3 hours at room temperature. Are you ready? Well, then let's get started.
So the first thing we need to do is to break the chocolate into squares and place those in the top of a double boiler. We're going to add the oil and place it over a very hot but not simmering water on low heat. The water must not touch the bottom of the double boiler. We're going to add 1 ounce or 28 grams of bittersweet chocolate at room temperature, 1 ounce or 28 grams of milk chocolate at room temperature, and then 1 tablespoon or 13 grams of walnut oil. We will remove the double boiler from the heat and stir until the chocolate begins to melt. Return to the heat if the water cools, but be careful that it does not get too hot. Stir until smooth. Once all of the chocolate and oil mixture is completely melted and smooth in your double boiler, you'll want to pour the melted chocolate into a cup with a spout. Then we will drizzle that beautiful melted chocolate over the top and sides of the cake. Allow it to set for at least 3 hours at room temperature. Get ready for a treat. Enjoy. And please be sure to click the thumbs up like button. And if you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to my channel so that you can see the next episode. And leave any comments in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.